Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this water text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add in a text here, and I'm just going to type in the word water, and I'm also going to change the font of it as well. You can add in effects, but I'm just going to leave it plain. Then I'm going to go to effects, search up ripples, and when you've searched up ripples, you're just going to add the ripple distortion on top, and you're going to basically adjust it because the video gets affected too. I'm just going to delete it first, right click, create compound clip on the text, and then I'll add it to only the text, so only the text gets affected. Here you can basically adjust the blur, the twist, the strength, the sharpen, the size, and the speed. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!